Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious banana bread with yogurt using an easy method. First, let's gather our wet ingredients. You'll want to mash 3 very ripe bananas until they are smooth. Then, in a separate bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of plain yogurt, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of melted butter. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that wonderful aroma. Now, let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, combine 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt to help the bread rise and balance the flavors. Then, add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar for sweetness and moisture. Make sure these are well mixed. It's time to bring everything together. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Pour the batter evenly into a greased 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Bake this delicious creation in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Once baked, let your banana bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it set and prevents it from breaking apart. After 10 minutes, carefully transfer the loaf to a wire rack to cool completely. Patience is key here for the best texture. Once cooled, slice and enjoy your incredibly moist and flavorful banana bread with yogurt. It's truly a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.